Picture yourself in the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. The Jeep Wrangler JK, the iconic off-road vehicle that symbolizes open-air freedom. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum wheels, trip computer, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel your heart soar when you experience driving as one with the natural world. Get into the Wrangler JK.